Hi there and happy Mother's Day. We learned that for every 3D object, we're going to learn 3 skills: drawing a net, finding the surface area, and finding the volume of the 3D object. And for prisms in particular. And this is called a rectangular prism or a cuboid. And we explained finding the surface area in millimeter squared, centimeter squared, because it's adding the area of all faces in the 3D object. So we started by finding the area of the floor face, which is a rectangle in this case. And we write the general formula of finding the area of the rectangle, and we ended up with the 21 centimeter squared. And then we found the area of the left side or the left face, which is a rectangle as well. And we substituted in the general formula of finding the area of a rectangle, and we ended up with 27 centimeter squared. And then we found the area of the front face, which is a rectangle as well. We substituted in the general formula of finding the area of a rectangle, and we ended up with 63 centimeter squared. And then we found the surface area. We have 2 faces, the floor and the top, with the exact same size. So that's why we say 2 times 21, plus we have 2 faces of identical size, which is the left side and the right side. So that's why we say times 2, plus 2 faces of identical size, which is the front face and the back face. And we ended up with 222 centimeters squared for the surface area of this cuboid. Now we are going to calculate for the exact same rectangular prism the volume. So the general formula of calculating the volume in any prism, V. So step number 1, we're going to write the general formula of finding the volume of any prism, which is area base times the height. Now, what is area base? I want you to consider the base, the face that is sitting on the floor. So this is my base, the face that is sitting on the floor. So step number 2, area base is a rectangle. So area base, which is a rectangle, is base times height. And if I draw a sketch for it, it's 7 and 3 centimeter. So it's 7 times 3, which is 21 centimeter squared. This is my base. So I'm going to say here 7 times 3 inside a bracket times the height in a 3D object. This is the floor face. Where is the identical face to it? It's this one, which is the top. Where is the vertical distance that connects the 2 identical faces together? It's this one. So the distance between the 2 identical bases or the 2 identical faces, the base and the identical face to it, which is the 9 centimeter. So times 9, and then you calculate 21 times 9, put the final answer, and the measurement unit is centimeter cubic, centimeter to the power of 3. Thank you so much for watching.